lightning, you think, or something?
Yeah, well, me and Mom went to Gas City and the big storm came and look what happened.
That's a young tree.
Man,
That means you're gonna have
big storm came through while we were gone. This is funny. Knocked her whole fence down. Hope no more of it falls out while I'm back here. Boy, I took that tree down. We don't want to have to worry about that anymore.
That tree looks bad. That's my tree.
It's bad now.
It's your tree?
Yep.
Yes, it was right here.
You can tell it was hollow.
Mine, I didn't plant it, but it's... Look at that. This is bad.
Limbs over here at Sarah's. Man, we could have been out here and watched all this. Well, we missed it. We're all at Gas City horsing around.